In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import a template into Clickup. Importing a template is a fast way to set up a space, folder, or list with a proven structure, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. In Clickup, templates can include tasks, statuses, views, and even custom fields, depending on what you choose during the import. Start by going to the area where you want the template to live. This can be a space, a folder, or a list. The key is to navigate to the exact location first, because Clickup uses your current location to determine where the template will be applied. Once you are in the right place, look for the ellipsis menu, which is the three-dot icon. Click that three-dot menu to open more options for the current space, folder, or list. From that menu, select Templates. Then choose the option to browse templates. This opens Clickup's template library, where you can explore built-in options. Now browse through the library or use the search feature to find the template you want. Take a moment to read the template details so you understand what it includes. This is helpful because some templates are simple and lightweight, while others bring in a full workflow with multiple views and fields. When you find the right template, click on it to open the preview. Then select Use Template. At this point, Clickup will prompt you to customize the import. Set a clear name so you can recognize it later, and confirm the location where it will be added. If you have options to include items like custom fields, views, or settings, choose what fits your workflow. Importing everything can be helpful for an exact setup, but limiting what you bring in can keep things cleaner if you only need the core structure. When you are ready, click Use Template again to finalize the import. Clickup will then create the new content in your selected location based on the template settings you chose, and that is all there is to it.